Mesquite ISD family, Ashley Stratton here with AC New. Welcome back to our Thinglink series part 2, linking in a 2D environment. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do after you log into Thinglink is we are going to generate a 2D environment by selecting an image. You could use a JPEG or a PNG, which is going to be a higher quality image. So I am actually going to be creating a resource for Cinco de Mayo. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an image that I found on Britannica Image Quest. That way I know I have all the proper permissions. I'm not breaking any copyrights by using this. I've saved this to my desktop, but you're also able to use images saved to drive. Once my image has uploaded, then I'm able to access it and add some links. Now, I've already pulled up several different resources here that I want to link to this 2D image to create an interactive resource. So I'm going to go up here to the pencil and I'm going to edit. So when I add a tag, that is going to be the icon that I'm going to link things to. So I'm going to start here with my general overview, my Britannica School encyclopedia entry about Cinco de Mayo. So I am going to be adding content from a website, and I can choose any of these icons here. I'm going to go ahead and choose my book icon since it's an online encyclopedia. I'm just going to pick blue because that's what color the Encyclopedia Britannica is. And then all I have to do is add my URL. Okay, so as you can see, I can place this anywhere I want on the image. I'm just going to go ahead and put it here. Now when I click on it, it brings this up right here embedded into my Thinglink. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that one. Now I'm going to add something fun. I know La Loteria is a traditional game played during Mexican celebrations. I found an online version, so I thought that would be really fun to share with some of my students and family. And this is an interactive way that you can play with people across the globe, whether you're there in person or not. So I am going to, again, add a tag. I am going to add text and media. And then my icon is going to be my game icon, and I'm just going to pick yellow. I'm going to name it. Going to add a description. If I wanted to, I could also add an image or a video, maybe directions on how to play the game for people who are unfamiliar. I could add audio if I'd like to. And then I'm going to take that link just like I did before. And now that's linked as well. I'm going to place that on my image too. Okay. I also found this really fun DIY video on how to make papel picado. So I'm going to link that media. Add another tag. Hopefully you're feeling like an expert by now. Let's see. I'm going to do content from website. YouTube videos will usually embed. I'm going to do my play icon, make it red because you know they recognize that red play symbol for YouTube. Notice how I'm placing them kind of around here. And then my last resource that I'm going to add is my Cinco de Mayo Wakelet. So we're going to use this Wakelet link here. Wakelet is a way to collect all kinds of resources into one easy to find and share spot. I'm going to add one more tag. Now you'll notice the difference here is adding text and media. What that does is you add the title, the description, and essentially it's a button, and it's going to open it in another tab. What you're doing when you add content from a website is you are creating an embedded material that they don't have to leave the actual Thinglink. So that's the difference. Adding a text label, what you could do is you could add some text and then say you wanted to explain more about the traditional dress or traditional music. You wouldn't necessarily have to link to a resource. You could add that right here. Though I would recommend if you're borrowing from something, it's not your own original thoughts, make sure you cite those resources. All right, so we are going to add content, add text and media. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and add my search icon because Wakelet has so many different resources. Trying to keep it simple. And then click done. And there you go. An easy way to take a 2D image and make it interactive. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Watch out for part 3 where we learn how to do even more things with Thinglink. Until then, happy teching!